What's up? This is JJ Long from JJArtworks Paint Party Professionals, and I'm going to show you guys how to set up a paint party. So a lot of the times when I do this, I might have an assistant with me, but I did this for the first like year and a half all on my own. So I just want to kind of show you guys how. There you go. Just want to show you guys how to do this if you're just a solo act. So it's not as bad as you think. This is probably the worst part of setting up, to be honest. But once you get in there and assemble everything and start like being in the moment with like all the customers and stuff, it's a good time, man. So, all right, this is all my paper products. Got all my PA system stuff, all the canvas. Take a look at this. Fresh canvas from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. Made some Bob Ross signs. Can never leave home without them. Right, got some PA speakers. Got all my brushes with a water bucket and some pitchers. This is also very important. This is just water. You're gonna be doing a lot of talking when you teach these events, so definitely juice up with some water here. And just my tripod stands. Now, as far as the PA system goes, you don't have to have a PA system with you all the time. In fact, I probably wouldn't set up a PA system until you get around like 18, 20 person parties. Definitely for the minimum group size of like 10 people, you don't need to have a PA system. But once you get to a point where you're teaching bigger group sizes on a regular basis, it's probably a good investment to have a PA system. So that's why I'm bringing mine today. And this is all my gear. I'm gonna go park the car now, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how to set up.